Hi.
Hello, my name is Lucy. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to
Yes,
meet you.
nice to meet
Um,
you too.
Thank you. So, Ahmed, I tutor English,
Yeah.
intermediate level and up. Would you say that I would be able to help you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, great, excellent.
So you
What?
don't you don't teach the beginner student, just
Not
intermediate and up.
not online. In face to face in the classroom, I teach beginners,
Yeah.
and on another platform, I teach
Yes.
children as well
Yes.
as face to face. But on
Yes.
Cambly, I do above intermediate.
So you like a student who intermediate and up in you when you teach online
On Cambly,
on Cambly.
yes,
So
but
you have
I do
another
teach. Yeah, so
platforms you teach children.
yeah, that's right.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they do you work at many companies online?
No, I just work for two companies online right now.
Yes.
But before coronavirus,
Yeah.
um, I used to teach classes in school. So
Exactly.
yeah, so now I do just online classes because we're not allowed to go to school, and
Yeah.
I live
Everybody,
in
everybody
Vietnam.
in the world, everybody in the world prefer to teach
Yeah,
online right now
exactly.
because the
And
fears
that's
of
right. Everybody in the
coronavirus.
world is online doing their job. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
So what do you do, Hamid? Ahmed?
I'm practicing on on English language. I want to
Brilliant.
be fluent, so
Yeah.
I used to call my tutor every 3 times a week.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think you have really good grammar.
thank you.
Definitely. Very good.
I work on grammar these days around uh, I think 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
I work hard on grammar.
Brilliant. And
Yes.
your tutor is someone in your country, or your tutor was on online?
No, no. I study with my books, and I prefer to study, especially grammar, and sometimes learn more new vocabulary
Yeah.
on app. Maybe you know it, Duolingo.
Yes, Duolingo. Yes, yes, I
Yeah,
do. Yeah,
yeah.
that's a
This is
good app.
my this is yes, best app for me because
Good.
I learn from it so much.
Have you do you watch Netflix?
Yes, of course. I love
Great.
watching movies, TV shows. These movies increase the knowledge of the words of English.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Because if you listen to music, a good one is to sing when maybe in the shower or when the house is empty, I don't know. But to sing in a different language is very good because it moves your mouth in all the right
Yeah,
places,
and no
and
one no one
you,
understand you. For me.
Exactly.
So,
No one is listening.
yeah, I do. Yeah, yes, I do. I sing in the shower. I sing in when I drive my car. So that's interesting for me.
Good. I'm glad you do that. It's good for your
So
pronunciation.
yes, but it helped me with my pronunciation.
So, can you tell a couple of songs that you like that is sung in English? Do you know?
Yeah, many songs. Yeah, like my favorite band, Backstreet Boys.
Yay!
Yeah, I'm a kind of 19 era.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. So maybe you remember Show Me the Meaning of Being Lonely.
Oh yes, I
Backstreet
love that
Boys.
one.
Yeah, from that
Yeah,
album Millennium.
yeah, it's really good. It's
Yeah.
bringing back some memories.
Yes. Also, at that time I bought a cassette.
Yeah, or
It
the
was no
CD or
CD
cassette
or
player.
do you
Yeah,
remember?
yeah, with the pen to wind
Yes.
it back.
Yeah, yeah. There is no YouTube and there is no cassette. And no
No,
YouTube and no CD.
no, and you had to save your pocket money. I had to save my my pocket money to buy the cassette.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
too.
asked my dad, please, please, I want the new CD or I want the new tape cassette. But yeah, so you listen to the Backstreet Boys. That's cool. I was not expecting you to say that.
No, I'm a
That's
big
a
fan
good
of
surprise.
English song. So if you ask me about any band in 19s, so I want to answer you because I'm good in that stuff.
Excellent. That's really cool. And so you like the Backstreet Boys. Can you tell me another band that you like from the 90s?
Yeah, there is a Boyzone, if you know it. I
Of
think
course.
yeah, I think it's not popular right now, Boyzone, because the band separated.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think they did a tour last year and the year before. They
yeah,
went on tour. I know that there's Stephen, he died, but
yes, of course.
Ronan and Shane and the other ones,
Only
they
only Ronan Keating, the vocals, who will continue with the singing.
yeah, that's right, isn't it? He did the songs. He did more songs on solo.
Do you
Uh,
like do you like his voice?
Not now, but when I was at school, I
Yeah,
loved Boyzone. I loved the Backstreet Boys. I loved Boyzone. I loved Take That. Um, all the
Westlife
NSYNC.
and
I'm a little
sing.
bit. I'm a bit old for Westlife. I think. I think
Yeah.
Westlife was at the end, and I was already going out dancing and raving. And going to parties, but for Westlife. But yeah, I like all that kind of music. It's
So
good
you
memory.
mentioned you mentioned you like NSYNC. Which song do you like, or what's your favorite song of NSYNC?
My favorite song. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, it changes every day. At the moment, I'm really enjoying listening to there's a band from the 90s from Manchester called the Stone Roses, and I love them. So at the moment, I'm listening to the Stone Roses.
Stone
It's
Roses start in which year?
oh,
I never heard about
early
them
nine,
before.
very early 90s, and they are British. I'm not
Yeah.
sure they did. I'm not sure they were global.
Uh-huh. So
I'm not
they are
sure.
local.
Yes, yeah,
Hmm.
they do tour. They are
Yeah.
famous, but in England they are very famous.
Very famous
So
in England, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm listening to them. What else am I listening to? I'm listening to some really cheesy music, like Corona. This is the rhythm of the night, stuff like that. From
Which
years
band?
ago.
Yeah, I heard that.
Corona. I like them. All the like really cheesy dance songs from the 90s I'm listening to
Yes.
right now. Yeah, I enjoy
When
them.
when you sing a song, I remember I heard this song, but I can't remember the band who sing this song.
Yeah, Rhythm of the Night. I like that one.
Rhythm of the Night.
Yeah, you can put it in YouTube now, like 90s dance songs, and just go clean the house and listen and have a great time.
Yeah, it was. I think the 19th era. It was a good era. I think maybe I lived my teenagers there at
Yeah,
that
me
time.
too. Yeah, me too. I
So
had a good
I love the
teenager.
19th era, and all about the 19th era.
Exactly.
The,
So you enjoy music. What I was going to suggest with Netflix is watch the shows that you enjoy in English if you can. Maybe just one a week for 15, 20 minutes and
yeah.
listen to the collocations and the annotations. So the
Yes.
words and the phrases that go together that you think, oh, why would you put these words together? They don't make sense to me. So they must have another meaning in English, and write them down. And that will help you be able to
Yes.
listen to native speakers very well, to fast speech, but
Yes.
will also help you be able to have a really natural, fluid conversation.
Yes.
That's something that will really accelerate your learning. But you have got really great tone and really wonderful grammar. So I think
Yes.
it's okay.
I'm grateful because
Yeah.
you helped me.
Oh, thank you. I hope so. So yes, try and write down as many things that you don't know. You can take this to the next level now. You don't just have to have the conversation and the teacher say, oh, you said that wrong. I think you can go in a little bit deeper, a little bit harder, and try and get on a more personal level with the English and try and figure out the local kind of terms for certain things and phrases. I think
Yes,
you're
there is a dark corner for me in English. I mean, local language, your local language. It's a little bit different than when I read because I want to have a conversation with the native speaker naturally and without non-stop.
that's right.
So you mentioned about that
So yeah,
on Netflix.
Netflix, you go into settings, you can change the you can change the sounds to English, and you can have subtitles in if you want at the bottom in
in English.
your own language, and then have them speak in English and watch the
Yes.
subtitles and stop it and write down the words or the phrases that you think, why did they say that? And then your next lesson with on Cambly, you can say,
Yeah.
right,
You can use them in Cambly.
yeah, 100%. But it's been
Yes.
great to meet you, and feel free if you need to message me to ask me any questions for help.
Thank you. I appreciate.
Yeah, lovely to meet you. You take care. Have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.